Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah. Oh, yeah. I had to come on here and show y'all this bad boy. Churro Cheesecake, okay? Shit was fire. Come on, let me show y'all how I made this. So I went ahead and made my own little homemade cheesecake, y'all. Got my graham cracker crumbs right there. Put them in some butter and sugar. Yeah. Foiled up a pan, got them in the bottom of there, baked them for about 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start on this cheesecake, y'all. I'm gonna have a recipe in the description because this bad boy is good, okay? And easy. Went ahead and put some vanilla in there. You can't have no cheesecake without no sour cream. I put that whole thing in there, y'all. Okay, a little egg and vanilla, and I was done, y'all. Go ahead and get that mixture up in there. 325 for about 35 minutes. Then you're gonna leave it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. But I left mine overnight. And just like that, it's the next day, and I'm making some churro batter, y'all. It's really easy, too. It ain't nothing but some boiled water, sugar, butter, and some flour, y'all. Good job. This is my best batch yet. For real. It look like that because it's been in the freezer. Let's go, because we're going to fry that bad boy. Okay, then I threw that churro batter right in a little piping bag. And you're going to pipe your churros right on your cheesecake, y'all. Put one over there. Yeah, I know it do. But look, got the churro. It's in the fry basket. I hope the oil not too hot, y'all. I think we're good, though. Let's see what we got. I'm putting it in there. Oh, it's too hot, y'all. Oh, my bad, y'all. Okay, let's try it again. I mean, it's cooled off now. Let's try it. I hope it ain't too cool. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it. I don't see now churro, but I mean the fried cheesecake for sure. We're gonna roll it in some cinnamon and sugar. I'm gonna plate it up. I'm gonna be back. Okay, y'all, it's looking like this. Not a damn churro in sight, y'all. I don't know what happened, but it's good as hell. So creamy, and it tastes just like churros on the outside. Got that little crunch on the outside with the must try, y'all. Look at that bad boy. Yes, look, like, share, subscribe. You know the motherfucking vibe. She in the kitchen, and she whipping.